Number 2 in your classwork for quadratic functions asks you to find the direction the parabola opens. So this parabola is a sad face parabola, so it opens downwards because the arrows extend down. So we have opens downwards. Next, they're asking for the intervals where the function is increasing and decreasing. So it increases as we move from left to right on the x-axis. So the portion where it's increasing is where the y values are greater as you move from left to right. So that would occur for this portion of the function. So as you move from left to right, the y values are increasing. So we have increases on negative infinity, open parentheses, because we can never reach negative infinity, to 1, also open parentheses, because at 1, nothing, or there's no change. Then we have decreases on, so that would be every point onwards from that vertex, which is at 1, all the way to extending to x is infinity. So we have 1 to infinity. Then we want the vertex. So vertex at this point right here. So that was 1, and the y value for that is 2. And this vertex is a maximum because there is no y value that is greater than this vertex. So that is a max. The domain of the function is what are the possible x values. So we have no restrictions or limitations on that. So it can be from x is negative infinity to infinity. So that's the domain. We have the range. Since it opens downwards, so we can extend all the way to negative infinity. So range is from negative infinity to that vertex, since it's the maximum value of the function, so that's 2. And the axis of symmetry occurs at the vertex, so that's at x equals 1. Let's put axis of sym. And the x-intercepts, we have 2 of them that cross the x-axis, so that's at x equals 0 and x equals 2. So intercepts at x equals 0 and 2. And these are all the details we can tell from this graph.